This video is created for educational purposes only. Wow, just look at these transactions. I released the token a few minutes ago, and these purchases do not stop. I have not spent $1 on marketing. This is absolutely free money. Boom, just look at this. This is a new method how to create a meme coin on Solana and make a rug pull. So today I will show you how to create your own meme coin on Solana and make a rug pull. You do not need to spend money on marketing. Buyers will come themselves. This is a new method and it is working now. Your token at the start will be displayed in many services that monitor the launch of new tokens on Solana. In such services in total sit hundreds of thousands of buyers. For example, here's one of them. In Telegram, the bot is called Solana Listing Bot. Look, 32,000 subscribers. Here, new tokens on Solana are displayed and all the information about them. And so, what am I talking about? Look, this is a new function that appeared quite recently. With the help of this service, you can issue your meme token and, most importantly, change the creator's wallet address in the metadata. The token will belong to you and all its supply will be in your wallet. But analytical services will show another creator's wallet, the one you choose yourself. Well, we need to find a wallet that has a lot of Solana tokens. We will launch a meme coin with low liquidity, while on the creator's wallet, everyone will see a large amount in Solana tokens. When buyers see this, I mean low liquidity of the token and a large amount of Solans on the creator's wallet, they think that the creator will now start increasing the liquidity of his token and the price will skyrocket. By the way, this often happens, so buyers are right about this. So I found a great wallet. It has a lot of Solans. I will use it. Now I copy this wallet and paste it here. I fill in the rest of the token data. You can create any token. You can call it Cheem's official coin, for example. And the token symbol is also any, let it be just Cheem's. I always launch 1 billion tokens, but it doesn't matter. You can launch at least 1 million. Next, any humorous description. And it is important not to turn off these functions, otherwise your token will look bad to buyers. These are important functions. Here you need to enter your wallet address to which the tokens will come. This wallet will be the real owner of these tokens. Well, now I click Launch Token. A transaction window appears. We don't need to connect a wallet on this site. You don't need to sign a transaction on this site. You are simply given an address to which you need to make a payment, and that's it. The tokens will come to the wallet that you specified as the recipient wallet of the tokens. Okay, I just sent Solana to this address. Now I click Check Transaction and boom. Token is created. Now we need to create a liquidity pool so that our token appears everywhere and can be bought. There are several services on Solana through which you can create a liquidity pool. For example, PumpSwap or Radium. I will use Radium because it is the most popular service. So, I open the Radium site and click Create Liquidity Pool. Now we need to connect the wallet where our tokens are. If you have already connected the wallet, it will be connected automatically. Here in the first line, we indicate our token. Insert the address and indicate the symbol and name. For me, it is Cheem's for the symbol and Cheem's official pre-sale for the name. I will add 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool. Now we need to add a Solana. Do not worry, your Solana will not disappear. You can withdraw the Solana at any time. This is what we will do. Withdraw Solana from the liquidity pool. For example, we will add 1 Solana. Our token will be bought for 2 more Solanas, and we will withdraw 3 Solanas. I will add 2 Solanas and select a commission of 2%. Now all that remains is to click Create Liquidity Pool. Boom, the liquidity pool is created. Now our token is alive. Now we open the DEX screener and open any token and insert the address of our token instead of the address of the token that we just opened. Boom, we see our token and we see that they have already started buying. But these are bot purchases. Of course, we can withdraw liquidity right now and get a small profit, but this is too little. Now our token appears in all services. Many buyers will now see that the liquidity of our token is low, and there is a lot of Solana in the creator's wallet, and buyers will start buying. Now I open the portfolio in Radium to see how the number of Solanas in my liquidity pool increases. I click Standard and wait for the information to appear. And so, just look, real purchases have already started. How nice to see these green numbers. Market cap is almost $2,000 and liquidity is now $1.3K. You can see all this on the DEX screener. Guys, look at these purchases. How wonderful it is. In my experience, these purchases will last another 5 minutes. Next, you need to withdraw liquidity and take profit. Liquidity is $1,500 now. Great, I'll take it. I go to Radium and see that my position has already been loaded into the portfolio. You need to click the minus button, put 100%, and we will see how much money is in our liquidity pool now. I click remove liquidity, sign the transaction in the wallet, and the liquidity is removed. All the money is now in the wallet. I open the wallet and boom, Solana is in my wallet. This method works great, but guys, this video was created for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching. Bye.